This video is sponsored by Value Testers, hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below. Morning guys, September 27, 2018. This one here I got a call for a daycare. One of the zones is running the heat and they can't shut it off for some reason. They got the thermostat off and it's still heating up. I know they got a big boiler there with a bunch of hydro air units, so we'll go over there and see what's going on downstairs with the controls. See if obviously none of the heat should be calling. It's warm here. It's 70 degrees. None of the heat zone should be calling now. So I'm on my way there and see what's going on with it. Beautiful day out. Probably like 70 degrees out today. Perfect. It's on cooling. I'll go see if the boiler's running downstairs.
So Sue came in this morning at 7:30.
That feeder's no good. I gotta change that feeder. But they got ball valves on both sides, so that shouldn't be that big of a deal to change that. Put a new 911S into the water. But this boiler's running. See that zone on their bread? The bread's calling, it shouldn't be. So that feeds this one here. Wow. That's feeding that one, and that sucker's hot. See it? Oh, good. Should be the thermostat coming down from upstairs. Disconnect one of these wires and see if it, yep, she just shut off, see? So we got a thermostat issue. Some one of the wires is touching somewhere. That shouldn't be calling. So, for some reason that thermostat's calling all the way from upstairs. There's a whole bunch of zones here, but that's the only one that's. She's got the air conditioning on, so the air conditioning is kind of bypassing the. We'll have to find out why. What's up with that? But there's definitely something going on with that. I'll probably go upstairs and just disconnect the wire. Take the thermostat off. Might have a broken wire somewhere. Alright, so I got the red for the heat disconnected. If this fires back up, we know we got a bad wire in the wall somewhere. Yeah, see? It's firing back up. We got a bad thermostat wire. Not good. Bad thermostat and no wire in the wall. Put the thermostat back on there so they could have cooling for now. The thermostat wire in the wall somewhere is a problem. Smells like antifreeze.
this one's a 911S, which the S stands for solder, but it's the same thing. It's just a different end on it. But I'm gonna reuse the ends that are there and just disconnect this. See, it's a solder one, but I got the IPS ones, but I'm gonna reuse what's there. Not a problem. You can smell the antifreeze. That's what ate the other one. The rubber eats the rubbers. That's what ate the other one. This is a pressure reducing valve. We're going to reduce the pressure down from city pressure to 12 pounds. It's what they call a feeder. Goes with a new gasket. Probably put the new gasket in there. Sometimes the new gaskets might be okay. We'll put a little pipe dope on it and see. The old gasket might be fine. If it leaks, we'll change it. If it don't, well, it's good. Alright, new 911S feeder, backflow. New 911S feeder and backflow. Alright, I talked to the electrician. I'm going to leave the wire disconnected like that, and he's going to come back and he's going to run a new thermostat wire in the wall. There's one electrician that's been working here for years and years. He actually wired this whole building. He knows this thing inside and out, and I'm not going to chase the thermostat wire. Let him do it. I got it disconnected right there so they don't have heat blasting upstairs. And I called the electrician. He's going to come and take care of it. He works for this company all the time, so we changed that because that was leaking. Can't leave that leaking like that. Well, if I come back on a weekend, we moved the ball valve up there and we took a piece out because it was too long. Actually, this nut did crack. Had a little bit of a flood down here. We got it straightened out now, though. But good thing that they caught it. There was too much pressure on that piece, so we cut a section out. We put a ball valve there, and that looks a lot better. I had to replace that nut because that nut had a crack in it. Be careful about that stuff. Fired up the boiler, make sure everything's working right.